Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Unshackling Sudokus and Puzzles. I'm Kishore and today we are going to have a different kind of session than what we usually do on the channel. Today I'm going to speed solve two classic Sudokus taken from the Hindu newspaper randomly. Both of these Sudokus are rated 5-star in difficulty and they are the hardest. Usually the Hindu newspaper publishes one Sudoku each day and these Sudokus gradually increase in difficulty from 1 star to 5 stars. 5 stars are the hardest and I will be trying to solve as fast as possible two classic Sudokus which are rated 5 star. So let me start the timer and I'll speed solve. We'll start the timer now. We'll go back to the grid and speed solve. So I'm making good progress here. Okay, I think you've got the crucial reduction. And we have finished the Sudoku. So as you can see, I have taken 6 minutes and 4 seconds on the first grid. The grid was quite hard. I would say there were some crucial reductions that were needed to be spotted along row 8 of the grid. So I think I saw some quadruple here, and there was a pair 8-9 that made the solve somewhat faster. I think this could have been solved much faster than what I had performed, but this is not a bad time. Anything between 5 to 10 minutes on a 5-star Sudoku in Hindu Classic is quite good. And if you take less than 5 minutes, then you should fancy your chances of making it your respective teams. So let me reset the time now, and then we'll move on to the second grid. In the second grid, I will try to banter a little bit even more because I was too silent on the first grid. I'll try to talk a little bit, but do not expect me to talk more. So let us start the grid now. And before that, I need to start the timer, right? I'll start the timer here and we'll start the grid now. Okay, this looks completely different than the one which we saw earlier. Okay, I get a 3 here. And this is not a 6, so this is 1 8, and I get a 6 here. And I get a 5 here, an easy digit. These cannot be a 9, so this is 4 6, a 9 must be here, and a 9 must go here. 4 5 7 8, so 6 must go into one of these two cells, and a 9 also because of the 9 here. This must be a 3, and this must be a 1 or a 2. This must be a 7 now. Oh wait, this is a 7 8. I need a 5 here. I'll get a 3 here. This would be a 9. This must be a 9. This must be 4 or 8, and this must be 4 7 8. 3 5, so I get a 5 here. So I get a 5 here, and I get a 5 here. This must be 3s, this must be a 3, this must be a 3. Okay, this must be 1 6 and 8. This must be 1 and 8, right? 4 and 9 must go here. 1 and 2 must be here. This must be 6 8 9. 4 must go here. 6 7 8. Oh, this is a 7. What am I doing? This is an 8. 7 minus 4 is 2. 7 minus this is 1. This is another 7. 7 8. 8 9. 4 9. Alright. 4 goes here. This must be 168. This must be 68. 672. The grid seems quite hard for now at least. So this is 469. This must be 679. This must be 179. 26 must go. This is a 2. This must be a 2. A 6 must go here. And 1 must go here. 1 must go here. So this must be a 7. And this is not a 7. This is a 108. This is not a 719. This is 106. This is a 4. This is a 106. This is 16. We have 16, so this must be 16. 4 and 7. 4 must go into one of these two cells. 7 here. 7 goes into these two cells. 6 and 7, right? So I'm getting 7 here, 6 here. This is not a 6. This is a 6. This is a 4. This is not a 4. Sorry. This must be 6 and 9. This must be a 4. This must be a 2, 8. This must be 1, 6 and 7. 4, 6, 9. This must be 8, 9. 1, 6 and 9, this must be an 8. 1, 6 and 7. 6 must go here. This must be a 1, 2 or a 6. 1, 2 pair, so 8 must be here. 7, 9. So this must be a 6, 7, 9. I just need one more digit and I think the grid will be over. This must be 1, 2, 6, 7, right? So 8 can't be here. So 8 cannot be in these cells. So 8 has to go here, right? That's a great reduction. I think we have got the crucial reduction now. 8, 9, 8. And this must be not an 8. So this is a 6 or a 9. So this must be a 7. And this must be 8 or a 9. 8, 9. 1 and 4. So this is a 1, this is a 4, this is a 4. And this is not a 4, 6 and 9. Okay. 6, 8, 9, 6. Alright. This is an 8, right? So 2, this is a 9, 6, 9, 9, 1. 1, 6, 1, 6, 6, 6, 6, 1, 2, 2, 6, 6, 9, 6 and 7. That completes the Sudoku and we'll stop the time now. Again, I have taken almost an identical 6, 12 as in the first grid. So both the classic Sudokus, if you saw, were quite hard to solve and they involve some quadruples in the first grid, and in the second grid I had to spot some triplets, I think, but I wasn't focusing too much on what I was finding as I was trying to speed solve. So the important thing about speed solving classic Sudokus is that they do not come overnight. So if you consider my case, I have been solving classic Sudokus since 2013 and improving on speed solving classic Sudokus, and that too harder classic Sudokus, requires a lot of time, energy and effort. And so at the start you may solve slowly, and as you improve your speed you will see that your accuracy is taking a hit, but as you grow comfortable in that speed your accuracy will also improve. So at the start you should always focus on your accuracy and do not make any mistakes in the grid, and as you feel comfortable in that speed you can slowly try to improve your speed. And the most important thing I would say when you speed solve classic Sudokus is always notate. So you need to take a call which are the cells that you need to notate. You need not notate every cell in the grid because that would obviously waste your time. So, but you have to notate unless you are gifted with an extraordinary memory and you remember every possible marking of every candidate. So it is necessary to notate because we may not be blessed with such good memory. And if you notate the digits, you need not remember in the later part of the solve, and you can always visually see the pairs or triplets or as the case may be and try to speed solve the grids. So the next thing I would say is the concept of guessing in classic Sudokus. If you see, my solve on both the classics were completely logical and I did not guess on the grids. But in sometimes during competitions you may be pushed for time pressure, or in any online contest you may be solving against the time constraint. So in such cases it is important to guess as well. Improving in guessing does not come easily. So guessing is also a skill, and you need to know where to guess exactly. So it is easier said than done. So you have to take a cell which allows you to guess and which gets you a lot of digits as continuation. So if you take a guess and if you are still stuck, right? So it is better to remove your original guess and guess at a different place rather than bifurcating once again, as that would be more prone to errors or be more prone to your grid going wrong. So these are the important things that I would like to say when you speed solve classic Sudokus, or when you are trying to solve any classic Sudoku faster. So actually my time could have been much better. I took 6 minutes and 10 seconds on both the grids. It was identical, but ideally it should have been less than 5 minutes. But again, 6 to 10 minutes is not a bad time on a 5-star rated classic Sudokus. So this was a different session and it was based on a request. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me speed solve these two 5-star rated classic Sudokus. Do let us know in comments if you would like us to make more videos on speed solving Sudokus or puzzles. We are not sure how this would be received. However, we would be delighted to hear your comments, and if you would be interested to see us speed solving any classic Sudoku or any other puzzle type. Hope to see you all soon.